Hi guys, welcome to Short No Life. So in today's video, I'm going to basically try to break down Aliexpress the best way I can. There will be some information missing because it would show my address. So I'm going to be switching from my phone to tablet in this video, and I'm sorry if that confuses you, but there are certain things on my phone that I have access to that are not on my tablet, or vice versa, whatever. Because I updated the phone, but I didn't update the tablet. But the phone, it kind of it doesn't show everything. So basically, what I just did, I clicked onto coins. This is where the coin section is. This is where you collect coins, and every day all you have to do is hit collect, and you collect those coins, and they just stack up. I used a lot of my points because there's some penny items in there I've been getting. So where I just showed you where that red box was, that is the coin section. Only that part where the red box is, or the red is around it, is the coin section. So as you can see, there's things in here for a penny with free shipping. They're mostly sold out, or sometimes they're unavailable in certain countries, so just be aware of that. Something is about to be blurred out. If you see blurred, it's because it is not appropriate for YouTube, and also it may be my address, so please, like I said, I'm doing the best I can. So I'm just showing you everything has a price, and then it also has a coin price. So the coins will be how many will be subtracted from your coins at the top, which I should have showed you mine, but you can see it. If you see that 8,372, I think that is how many coins I got. So that will be subtracted from what I have, and I'll put an arrow to what I was talking about. So that 2 million whatever number, that's how many they have left in stock. So you can get this whenever you want to. There's plenty of this in stock. I'm just picking a random one. There was no specific why. And you would pay that $8.06, but it would take 555 coins from you. And it does have options. You can get the black or the white one. I didn't purchase on the white. I apologize about that. And this is the first time I've ever noticed this, but you can get 3 of these in this one transaction. I've never seen that before. Usually it always says 1 piece per customer. So that was super interesting. But AliExpress is doing this new thing where if you don't receive your items, they will give you a $3 coupon for any late delivery. I think that's amazing. So yeah, once you hit continue, which I should hit that in a second, but I didn't. But once you hit continue, you can redeem the items, and it will take you to your address and the money portion, which I didn't show because, like I said, I didn't want to show my information. So I'm going back in here so I can show you that some of this stuff does have free shipping. If it says free shipping, that means you get it for free shipping. But some of you do have to pay for it, so just be aware of that. And if you like the item but you don't want to buy it at the coin section, you could just hit item description where I just showed you, and it's going to take you to the regular page so you can see how much it costs. I like to do this sometimes because sometimes in that coin section they're charging you more than they actually charge, so it'll be cheaper if you just pay for it regularly, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's what I was trying to show you. And then you would just hit add to cart, and it'll go to your cart. So I'm scrolling. I was talking through this video, but the audio is so bad that you couldn't hear me. So I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing. So the specifications is everything you need to know that comes in there. I should have showed you with nails because it tells you how many pieces you're going to get, and that's kind of what's important. But right now, this is the coupons. So if you were to get this item, you could use these coupons if you spent over that amount. You see, you say $2.91. If you spend over $21.85, all you have to do is hit collect, and it's automatically applied when you check out. Also, I wanted to show you that some of the times it says buy 2 get 10% off. That is also going to stack with that coupon that you just saw. So be aware of that when you're shopping, that all of that stacks together, which means you're saving more money. So I hope that makes sense. But I was trying to show you what to do when you get into the store. But again, like I said, my phone doesn't work correctly with the update with AliExpress. So I switched back to my tablet because I did not update it yet. And I was scared if I did update it that it would do the same issues, and I really wanted to show this video. So this is on the old the old app. So you would have to create an account to actually purchase anything. I should have had this in the beginning. I apologize. But you have to create an account. It will ask you for your address, so you never have to actually put your address in once you do that. And then you can also add your card if you want to. I don't. Personally, I do use Cash App. I do not put my debit card in AliExpress. I use Cash App card. That's just a tip for me. If you want to use it, if you don't want to use your debit card or credit card, definitely use your Cash App card. So now I just hit on account so I can show you this page. And on this page is where you can get more coupons. But I'm going to show you on my phone because it looks different. This is how it looks updated, of course. That was the old version. So now you have where your orders are. You could press to pay if you have an order that you didn't pay for and it didn't go through and you need to change the card. You would go there. To ship means I have 1 left to ship. Ship means I have 5 left to get to me. And then to review, I'm showing you right now. I just press that coins button. That's another way to get into that coin section if you didn't want to do it from the home page, but it's so much easier doing it from the home page. You also see payment and coupons. I'm gonna go into that coupons in a minute. You have help center at the bottom, suggestions and Q&A. It is so hard to me to get an actual live person on this app. So, and I cannot even show you how to do it because every time it's so confusing and it takes too long. So just, if you really want the item, just get it. But it is doable. I'm not going to lie. You can get to a live person, but it is very difficult. I just want you to be aware of that. So I just hit my coupons, and that actually is another page of where coupons are. These are the same coupons that I just showed you that was in the store. Well, in that page, if that makes sense. These are almost the same coupons. So there's 2 different types of coupons. It's going to take me a minute to show you the other one, but a lot of these are just for the whole store. So like this one says $1 off 5. All you have to do is hit use now, and it's going to take you into the store. But my phone, of course, is on the newer app and it will not work. It still does not work, and I have updated several times. But anyway, I got to my tablet and you just hit use now. It's going to take you into the store. This means that you can use that coupon on anything in the store. It has no restrictions. You'll just get $1 off $5. Just add it to the cart, and then as long as your total is over $5 in that particular store, not the whole AliExpress, in that store, you will get that $1 off that $5. And this is like a seller that also takes coins and coupons. I really didn't go too much in depth showing you how to do coins, but I'll try to mention that later on in the video. But I'm just showing you now. If you hit this button, that will show you from low to high, and that's a tip if you're trying to save money. There's always something good to me in these little low to high sections. And then you hit free shipping if you don't want to pay shipping. I always hit this button. I do not like paying for shipping. So yeah, this just shows you everything low to high with free shipping. Before, it just shows you everything low to high. It really didn't include the free shipping. So you have to hit both of those to do that. And then you have your new arrivals page where you can see anything that's new coming out. This is great for people who always want to be on a new trend and see what's new out there. So I tried to hit the back button, but I don't even know what I hit at that point, but that just showed you the stats of the company. But I just hit the back button because now I'm trying to show you the other type of coupon. So some coupons will work for the entire store and some only work for a particular item. And that's kind of what I'm trying to show you. I keep clicking on these to find it, and it'll say select items. I just saw one say it. I didn't even think about it, but that coupon as well, I wanted to show that again, so I went back in. If you follow the store, they give you a coupon as well. Again, these are not stackable. These are the same coupons as the one I showed you earlier that's inside the store, but sometimes you can get a better deal when you follow the store and get that coupon. So I hope that makes sense. But so far, none of the coupons are stackable. AliExpress itself has coupons, but they don't have them all the time. So I couldn't show you really how that coupons work with this one unless it was like the 11/11 sale, which I'll try to make another video if I can so I can show you how that works. But all of these are just a one coupon type of situation, and you can, like I said, also save money when it has like buy two get 10% off. And then sometimes coins also save money as well, which I'll get more into that later on. But this is what I wanted to show you. This dollar off $1.01 on select items only. This is once you hit use now on this coupon, it's only going to show you what you can use the coupon on, which is these toe separators. Yeah, I personally wouldn't buy them for $3 when they are $1 at Dollar Tree, but somebody would. But I'm just trying to show you how that works. So once you hit it and you go into the cart, you go into the cart, it already applies the coupon, and you see that there's coins off for that 4 coins. You have no control over the coins unless you want to remove them. They are automatically applied when you have them, and you can't like increase it or decrease. I mean, you can decrease it, but you can't increase it, if that makes sense. So the coins really don't save you a lot, I'm gonna be honest, unless you're spending $30 and it might save you $1, if I'm being honest. But it will save you about 30 cents on average. Like that one was 4 cents. It saves about that much. I think it's 2 cents per coin. So yeah, it's up to the seller how many coins can be added to that one particular item. So now I'm showing you how I search, and I basically, for nail stuff, I just put nail in front of it. So I'm showing you stamping plates. So I just put nail stamping plate. If you want transfer foil, you'll put nail transfer foil. Always just put nail in front of it and you will actually get the results you're looking for. So I'm just scrolling through trying to show you guys some stuff. So this stamping plate I thought was super cute. So I just clicked on it. And I'm just showing you how the prices change sometimes depending on the stamping plate. Like this one is cheaper than the rest, like 10 cents I think it was. But when you hit the picture as well, because I used to do this, I could not see it. So when you hit the picture, it comes up bigger. I believe you can zoom in. I can't remember. But yeah, you can see a better representation when you hit the picture. And this is just like me scrolling through the stamping plates. And then I'm just coming out of that. My phone does work, but my fingers are huge, so please bear with me. So these stamping plates, this is the Moutine stamping plates that I'm always hauling. I'm going to show you more about them in a second. But I'm trying to show you again. This works the same way as inside that store. You hit free shipping. It shows you everything with free shipping in it, so you don't have to pay that. I know some people say they don't see things with free shipping anymore on AliExpress, but if you're in the US, this should work for you. So I'm just showing you some stamping plates that are on clearance for $1.03. So all you do is, like I said, just go through them, tap each one to see which one is on clearance. But it actually has a little clearance tag on it. If you see special offer, that's how you can tell most of the time. But sometimes they don't do that. So this one seller is nice enough to do that for you. And then if you want to do low to high, you just hit that price and they'll do low to high. The only thing about this one is it's not that good for stamping plates. You may find it sometimes, but it's not that good. I never do low to high for stamping plates. So what I wanted to show you was, like, you saw this was 11 cents. So when you go in and you hit free shipping, the price will change. Sometimes it's correct, but it will always have a shipping price under it when that is not that price, if that makes sense. I feel like I can't really explain this one, but like if you see a price under it and you're under free shipping, it is that price that is showing you with that shipping price. but you can go in and switch it to free shipping to see what the actual price is, because it does offer free shipping, which is why it's there. But I wish they would get rid of that, because it's kind of confusing, and even explaining it is kind of confusing. But this one actually does have 40-cent stamping plate, 46-cent stamping plates, which is why I'm showing you. And that's another tip of, sometimes, as you saw me put the shipping price, with the change the shipping to free shipping, sometimes the seller does offer free shipping. So just hit that shipping button sometimes and you'll see it. It's like they're messing with your mind because they want you to pay for it, but they do offer it. So make sure you hit that if you want to change it or you're curious. Just hit it, because sometimes it is offered, they just don't advertise it. I hope that made sense as well. I'm sorry, guys. It's so much information that I'm trying to get out that I feel like I'm jumbling it all together. So this is the Moutine stamping plates I usually tell you guys about. This does have a shipping price of 89 cents. This does not have free shipping unless you spent over $20. And I say $12 in my video. I'm so sorry. It is $20. So this $5 off $69 is the same as the other coupon, or it's like buy two get 10% off. That's the same thing, and it'll combine also with the coupon down below. Again, I know this is a lot of information. I feel like I didn't cover everything, and I may have to do another video. So if I didn't cover it, please leave it down below. I actually talked through this video, so I don't know what I said because I had to mute it because there was so much background noise. But it would have been more helpful for me to do this live, and I apologize about that. But yeah, I'm trying. So yeah, just let me know some pointers down below of things I missed or things you want me to talk on or anything. So this is just me showing you some stamping plates. I have no clue why. I just want to say there is a contact seller button inside each item if you need to talk to the seller. I didn't show that. I forgot to do that. Well, actually, I think I did. I just cut it out because my address was shown. But anyway, thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I do new videos twice a week. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye.